7 days till Christmas is here. Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, December 19th. And it is 7 days until Christmas. And right now we're about to take Robbie to piano lessons. But before that, Richard and I are gonna get some amazing fish tacos. If you did not already see our fish taco video, or our taco video, excuse me, and you wanna see the best fish taco in San Gabriel Valley, even Los Angeles, some may say the world, this guy says it's the world. The world! Then you'll wanna check that out right up here. But if you wanna see us eat them right now, you'll wanna check it out right here in my stuff. Here's our fish tacos. I started to mull mine. Why am I singing everything today?
I don't know why you're singing that.
Because I want to live in a musical.
In a musical?
Like fish tacos, fish tacos.
It's like a musical company, musical?
Yeah, it's like really dark over there where you are today. Over there on your side of the world.
It's dark there. Dark times.
Feeling a little emotional.
What is this car doing in the middle here?
Did you guys all see Rich on our Facebook do his Fortnite like floss? Oh, I can't even do it. Flossing?
I do's what I do's. That was it? I don't think that was it. I don't think that was it.
I am the worst dancer.
That's not true.
Everybody says I am in the family.
That's totally not true.
True.
That's not true.
True.
That's not true.
Christmas toys. Our kids can't see
I always
this.
look at the screen first and I see myself looking up like, that looks...
I just realized our kids can't see this.
Yeah, so you can't do it.
Probably can't film this. I love to shop with this guy. I have always loved to shop with this guy. When we were first dating, he would like do funny stuff like that with hats and stuff in the little store. Hilarious. Alright, you guys, it's getting later and later in the evening. We just got the kids to bed. Richard and I are gonna sit down and watch a Christmas movie, but I did want to show you some of the Rae Dunn items that actually my mom surprised me with. So it's kind of like an unboxing, I guess, if you will, but let me show you what she got me. I am so excited. This was, I guess, just like a little early Christmas present. So I think I showed these on one of my shop with me videos. They are the Jingle Rae Dunn mugs. I think, I mean, it doesn't really say what they are, but I'm thinking I'm gonna use them for like hors d'oeuvres and cheese plate kind of things and items and stuff at Christmas and Christmas Eve, New Year's even. I just think they are the cutest thing ever, and there are 4 of them that came in the set. I believe they were like $14.99 for the set of 4, and they all say Jingle, the same thing. And Jingle is the name of our elf on the shelf, you guys. So I don't know, it just makes me kind of happy and smile. So here they are, cute little like hors d'oeuvre plates. So that's number 1. Let me show you the second thing that she bought me and surprised me with. That is this Merry Christmas platter plate. It was $5.99. I don't know, and maybe you guys can tell me in the comments below. I don't know if this is like a set of plates and you're supposed to have one at each like place setting. We only found one and I was thrilled to find it. So I just kind of have it displayed. I love the red and the white with the little white dots.
Look at the cat.
He was. Why is his tail all puffed? Before I was rudely interrupted by Rich again. His underwear over there. I just think it's the cutest thing ever. I'm displaying it on top of my little like farmhouse shelf that I have over here, you guys. I'm using it there, and I don't know, I love it. And then my jingle plates are super cute as well. So those are my Rae Dunn unboxing finds that were a little surprise gift from my mama. Alright you guys, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope we weren't too crazy for you with our little Walmart dance scene. I hope you like some of the Rae Dunn. I want to try to get a vlog up and out to you guys every day between now and Christmas, so for the next 7 days. And just to share, I feel like Christmas is going by so quickly this year, and I feel like it's probably cliche and I say this every year, but this year it feels like it's going by super fast, and I don't want to miss a second of it. I don't want to miss a second with you guys. I hope we can bring you a tiny bit of Christmas cheer. Tomorrow I might show you like some of the things we bought the kids for Christmas. That's it, you guys. Alright, we'll see you back here tomorrow. Rich and I are going to go watch Uncle Buck, and until next time, keep on growing. Peace. See you mañana. Bye guys.